When you think of studying abroad, there are usually two things which come to mind. One is which university offers the best course, and two, how much of a financial hit is it going to be? These days, applying for an education loan is as important as the college application process itself. Finding a loan that gives you repayment flexibility, offers you maximum coverage, has low interest rates, etc., all this matters. So let's deep dive into the world of international loans with the why, how, what, and where. Starting with the why. Why do we need a student loan? International education comes with a significant price tag, including tuition fees, living expenses, travel, and more. Education loans bridge this financial gap, allowing you to pursue your academic goals without immediate financial strain on your family's savings. They offer 1. Funding for various expenses such as tuition, accommodation, books, travel, and even living costs. 2. Flexible repayment options that allow you to start repaying immediately after completing your education. 3. Tax benefits, where under certain conditions, interest paid on education loans can be tax deductible. Let's get down to the how. How do you choose the right international loans for yourself? If you look at it largely, international student loans can be divided into secured and unsecured loans. Secured loans require collateral, usually in the form of property, fixed deposits, insurance policies as security. They generally offer low interest rates and higher loan amounts. Unsecured loans don't require collateral, but they would have slightly higher interest rates, usually ranging between 10 to 14%. You might have to get a cosigner on board in most cases, but it's usually the loan of choice for students because of its low risk. There are three dominant loan providers, which are your public banks, private banks, and non banking financial companies like Prodigy Finance. Which brings us to the where. Where can you find the best student loans? As mentioned before, private banks, public banks, and NBFCs are your safest bet. Prodigy Finance offers loans for international graduate students pursuing their masters in business, engineering, law, and public policy degrees, and supports about 850 schools in over 18 different countries. Each Prodigy Finance education loan interest rate is personal and based on a range of factors, including credit history. Not to mention, the application procedure is completely online. And you can apply for the loan even before you get your acceptance letter. Finally, the what. What are the loan eligibility factors for Indians? First and foremost, you need to be a citizen of India and have a valid passport. You will require the financial documents of your co-applicant, including the proof of employment and Form 16. Of course, you will need the college acceptance letter and an approved visa to finalize the loan process. Even though that wasn't a requirement when you started your application process with companies like Prodigy Finance. Keep your educational and loan transcripts handy because they might ask for them, like your mark sheets, employee acceptance letter, etc. Basically, options are aplenty. Just keep in mind certain factors like what the interest rates are, what the repayment procedure is, what the processing fees are, or if there are any hidden fees. Having your finances in place is half the battle won. It gives you the peace of mind you need to study well and pay off your loan with a secure job. If you still have any questions, then you can log into the Prodigy Finance website and reach out to one of our representatives. Happy future, guys!